Hey guys, this is Amma from Referrals for you, where we refer, of course, your preferred. So guys, today I'm going to unbox Thomson 43-inch OATHPRO 4K TV. It is a smart Android TV. So this is how the box looks like. So guys, I'm sorry for the camera quality present here because I'm in a remote location due to this lockdown, and yeah, I have taken help of my sister for this, and thanks to her. So without any delay, let's get started. So guys, here you can clearly check that it has around 5000 plus apps and games. That is not built in, but you can download it from Play Store, and it comes with integrated Google Play services like Google Play, Google Music, or Google Play Store, YouTube, or etc. And it comes with a quad-core processor, and it is of around 8 GB internal storage and 1.75 GB of RAM, and it can connect to any smart devices like Alexa or Google Assistant. So guys, here you can clearly check that it supports Dolby Audio, Dolby Vision, that is nothing but surround sound system, so which is one of the very good thing. So guys, it supports Google Assistant as it's an Android TV, and it is compatible with 30,000 plus devices like smartwatch, tablets, or smart speakers. It is coming with a Chromecast built in, and it has of course Google Play support. So guys, as it's an Android TV, so you can download any application from Play Store. It is a 43-inch 108cm TV, and it comes with a 4K HDR support. So it's nothing but a UHD TV. So guys, let's unbox this TV, and for me this TV is very under budget friendly because it is a 4K Android TV, comes with 500 plus nits support, where you can get more brightness in outdoor condition. So guys, after opening you will be finding a packet which contains TV stand, a remote, and of course a user manual. And yeah, my nephew is very enthusiastic to his new TV. So guys, after opening the box you can find the TV like this. Here you can clearly check the brand name of the TV, that is Thomson. Back you have couple of ports, that is 2 USB ports and 3 HDMI ports, and you can connect it towards your DVD also. The TV was installed on the wall by Flipkart authorized persons, and yeah, the delivery took for me around 3 days, and the very next day the authorized persons came and installed the TV on the wall. It's of course for free of cost. Guys, let's power on the TV. So on power on you can find a display like this, Thomson friendly technology, and yeah, initially it takes some time to boot up, and you can see the Google Android system is booting up. So guys, here you can clearly check it's Android because it is powered by Android, and here you can check the mountains after initial boot up. So let's connect towards the Wi-Fi and check the content present in the TV. So guys, you can check the interface of this TV. It's like quite common as an Android TV. You can check the Google Assistant, and you can check Netflix, Prime Video, and YouTube, Google Play services, etc. So this is how the interface of the TV initially. So guys, these are some of the few pre-installed applications from the TV. So guys, here you can check the settings of this TV, where you can connect to Wi-Fi and do screen mirror using Google Chromecast. So guys, let's open an application YouTube, and let's play a song to check the sound and picture quality of this TV. So for me, the picture quality is excellent, and the sound quality is surprisingly good under this particular budget. I don't know how you are able to see in the TV, but yeah, in real time it's good, and of course it's a preferable TV. So guys, this is a small clip from the TV. If I do it for a long time, we might get a copyright claim. So yeah guys, this is the overall review of this TV. Yeah, if you have any questions, please mention me in the comment section below. I'll be replying as soon as possible. Yeah guys, thanks for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe my channel for further upcoming videos. Thank you guys. Bye bye.